What does a confident step feel like? For many seniors, that feeling has been replaced by uncertainty, a hesitation when you stand, a tightness in your calves, or a fear of losing your balance. These aren't just minor annoyances, they are signals. Your body is communicating a critical need that often goes overlooked. The strength and stability of your legs are not just a matter of muscle and bone. They are powered by a complex network of nerves and sustained by a constant flow of oxygen and nutrients. When just one key element is missing, the entire system can falter, leading to weakness, cramps, and a loss of the confidence to move freely. The good news is that these changes are often not permanent. By understanding what your body is missing, you can take proactive steps to restore your foundation. In today's video, we'll uncover the 7 most vital vitamins that help seniors over 60 reclaim strength in their legs, eliminate painful cramps, and restore the balance needed to walk with assurance. Stay until the end, because the #1 vitamin is the silent energy converter most people have never heard of, and addressing a deficiency could be the key to staying active and independent. Number 6. Vitamin D. Think of vitamin D as the master conductor for calcium. Without it, your body simply cannot absorb the calcium you consume, no matter how much milk you drink, leaving your bones weak and vulnerable. But its role goes far beyond bones. Vitamin D receptors are found throughout muscle tissue, and a deficiency is directly linked to muscle weakness, pain, and a higher risk of falls. Our ability to synthesize vitamin D from sunlight diminishes significantly after 60, making deficiency extremely common. Boosting your levels helps your body utilize calcium for stronger bones, while directly improving muscle strength and function in the legs and core. You can find it in fatty fish egg yolks and fortified foods, but a supplement is often necessary. Optimal levels help you stand up from a chair with more power and walk with a firmer, more stable stride. Number 5. Calcium. While supporting muscles, we must consider their strength partner, bones. Nothing is more vital for bone integrity than calcium. Many see it as the bone mineral, yet it also aids something more urgent: movement. Each time your leg muscles flex or release, they rely on calcium as the activating signal. Aging causes us to lose bone mass. Without sufficient calcium, your body takes it from bones, causing weakness, stiffness, and breaks. Top sources are dairy, greens, tofu, and sardines. People over 60 generally need about 1,200 milligrams daily. Note, calcium is most effective when combined with vitamin D for optimal uptake. Number 4. Magnesium. If you're plagued by painful nighttime leg cramps or muscle spasms that make your legs feel tight and jumpy, you need to know about magnesium. This mineral is nature's muscle relaxant. It works by regulating the flow of calcium in and out of muscle cells. Without enough magnesium, calcium can overstimulate the nerves, causing muscles to contract too much and fail to relax properly, leading to those painful Charlie horses. Seniors are particularly prone to deficiency due to reduced dietary intake and certain medications that can deplete magnesium levels. You can find it in foods like nuts, seeds, dark leafy greens, and dark chocolate. Supplementing with magnesium glycinate or citrate can be especially effective for relieving cramps and promoting restful sleep without the muscle twitches. Number 3. Vitamin B12. That feeling of pins and needles, numbness, or a general weakness in your legs that makes them feel like they aren't fully under your control can often be traced back to a vitamin B12 deficiency. This vitamin is absolutely critical for maintaining the protective myelin sheath that surrounds your nerves. Think of it as the insulation on an electrical wire. When B12 levels drop, this insulation deteriorates, leading to nerve damage, peripheral neuropathy that disrupts the signals traveling between your brain and your legs. This results in poor balance, unsteady gait, and that heavy, weak feeling. Absorption declines sharply with age, so even if you eat enough, your body might not be able to use it. It's abundant in animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and fortified cereals. Many seniors require a B12 supplement or even periodic injections to correct a deficiency and restore proper nerve function and sensation. Number 3. Potassium. Persistent weakness, fatigue, and a general feeling of heaviness in the legs can be a sign of low potassium. This essential electrolyte is vital for every muscle contraction in your body, including your heart. It ensures that electrical signals travel smoothly through muscle tissue, allowing for strong, coordinated movements. When potassium is low, muscles become weak, unresponsive, and can cramp easily. Diuretics water pills, which are commonly prescribed for high blood pressure, are a major cause of potassium loss in seniors. Excellent food sources include bananas, potatoes, spinach, beans, and avocados. Because both high and low potassium levels can be dangerous, it's crucial to have your levels checked by a doctor before considering supplementation. Optimizing your potassium intake can help bring back the spring in your step and reduce overall leg fatigue. The number one vitamin most seniors are missing without even realizing it is vitamin B1 or thiamine. This is the master key that unlocks energy from the food you eat. Every single cell in your body, especially your high-energy muscle and nerve cells, requires thiamine to convert carbohydrates into usable fuel. A deficiency directly leads to profound fatigue, muscle weakness, and a specific type of neuropathy that causes pain, burning, and loss of sensation in the legs and feet. Seniors are at high risk due to poor appetite, chronic diseases, and interactions with medications like diuretics that flush it out. It's found in whole grains, pork, nuts, and legumes. A mild deficiency can leave your legs feeling like lead weights, while correcting it can restore vital energy production, reduce neuropathic pain, and provide the fundamental power needed for strong, sustained movement. So there you have it, 6 essential vitamins that form the foundation of strong, stable, and reliable legs. Remember, these nutrients don't work in isolation, they work as a powerful team. A deficiency in just one can create a weak link in the chain, leading to weakness, pain, and a loss of confidence. This isn't about a quick fix, it's about giving your body the fundamental building blocks it needs to support you for years to come. If you recognize any of these symptoms, the most important first step is to talk to your doctor. Get your levels checked and develop a plan that's right for you, whether through diet, supplementation, or both. If this video gave you that aha moment and you can see how these pieces fit together, please pay it forward. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more actionable health strategies.